Hi y'all, I'm doing a video today with Korean corn dogs. I picked up at H Mart yesterday when I was in Toronto, so I thought I'd do it today for lunch. One is just with the hot dog, and the other one is all cheese inside. So we're going to try it for the first time. It was actually perfect because I actually put it right back into the air fryer to crisp it up again, and it seems perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and try it. I think I'm going to try the hot dog one first. I've never tried these before. They're huge. Look at the size of this. Ginormous. I cannot eat this all. I'm only going to have a few bites just to pre-warn you. The outside is nice and crispy. They use like a panko breadcrumb. I actually didn't bite into the hot dog. They give you little ketchup packages with it, but I'm trying it by itself. And I also have here a spicy sriracha mayo, my favorite. Or maybe I'll dip it in that. Sorry, that was a huge bite. Very good. It's a lot of dough. Not really for me. I'll go ahead and try this mozzarella one. Let's see if I can get a cheese pull out of this, okay? Let's try it. I've been waiting for this one the most. Oh, this had the hot dog in it. This has hot dog and cheese. I thought it was all cheese. It's actually good. Let me try. Whew. Very good. This one's very tasty with the cheese. I thought maybe it was going to be all mozzarella. I am going to recreate this myself. So I think I will try the all cheese corn dog. So definitely, I mean, I'm sure the kids would love this. I'm going to call them out so they can eat the rest of it because I can't. Very good. Anyways. Thanks for watching.